Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to configure agent signature on Zendesk. This is a really useful feature that automatically adds a professional sign-off to every ticket response you send, saving you time and maintaining consistency across your customer communications. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to your web browser and type in zendesk.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're logging in with your agent account, as this is where you'll be able to set up your personal signature. After you've successfully logged in, look up to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select View Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you can manage various settings related to your account. Once you're on your profile page, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a navigation menu with different sections. Look for the option labeled Signature and click on it. This is where the magic happens, as this section allows you to create and customize the signature that will appear at the end of all your ticket responses. In the signature field, you can now input whatever sign-off you'd like to use. For example, you might want to go with something professional like best regards followed by your name. Or if you're representing a team, you could use something like Tutorial Labs. The choice is yours, and you can customize it to match your brand's tone and style. Take a moment to type in your preferred signature, making sure it looks exactly how you want it to appear to your customers. Now that your signature is set up, let's test it to make sure it's working properly. Click on the home icon located on the left side of the screen. This will take you back to your main Zendesk dashboard, where you can see all your tickets. Go ahead and click on any ticket from your list. It doesn't matter which one you choose, we're just testing the signature functionality. Once the ticket opens, scroll down to the response area and try sending any message. You can type something simple just for testing purposes. As you compose your message, you'll notice that your signature will automatically appear at the end of your response. This means your configuration is working perfectly, and from now on, every reply you send will include your personalized signature without you having to type it manually each time. And there you have it, you've successfully configured your agent signature on Zendesk, ensuring that all your customer interactions end with a professional and consistent sign-off. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.